Here, all right. I got a bunch of questions about how to trade these new dynamic levels that we have. I wanted to go through it, show you guys how I trade it. If I find a trade, I'll go ahead and take it. I have 6 accounts grouped right now. So if you guys watch my other videos, that would mean each MNQ or NQ, if I do 6, that's 1 across each account. So here you guys can see we have the dynamic levels that come up. Right now we're at all-time highs here. So very actually difficult to trade. I normally don't trade all-time highs, but I'm going to show you guys what I look for here. See, we have a nice resistance here, this 2022 level. I'm going to go ahead and play this dynamic level and play its rejection out. I may already be too late. I just hopped on. I didn't look at any of the charts or anything. I'm just going in live. So I normally have the 1 to 3 minute up. I can't show you everything I'm looking at when I'm normally trading, but I'll have Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple up. I like to look at the 5 to 15 minute levels as well. But normally I like to trade depending on which way the algo is letting me know, right? Like right now it's long. And so normally I wouldn't play this rejection here, but we are at all-time highs, and it's created this new level here. So I'm going to take a stab at it. So, you see here, even if I try to zoom out a bunch, there's not going to be, normally you can go back, zoom out, and look at any other like pivot levels that are created. But since we're at all-time highs, it's not going to work. But essentially here, you guys will see we have these pivot levels here that get created automatically. So what I do is if I am playing upwards,
Order filled.
okay, see, I just got in here. I would make these pivots my stop. So since now I'm playing short, I'm sorry, the other way around. So essentially now that I'm short, I don't have any pivots. I don't have any stops up here. Now if I was going long, my stops would be these new pivots here. So you can see here, it went $100, something like that. I'm looking for quick scalps here. I play and look at this, like we had another level reject. You can see some resistance here. So that's pretty good profit. I'm gonna go ahead and just put a stop here, and I'll move it down as it runs down. So that's pretty much like my strategy here. I play. This is live. These are my evaluation accounts. Once I get 20 funded accounts, I will show you guys live funded exactly what I do. So see here, I'll move it out a little bit. I played this rejection. Normally, if it did ricochet up top, since we are at all-time highs, very, very difficult. I'd probably do like a 10-point stop loss, something like that. Now,
Stop filled.
and there we go. So and always make sure you click this exit button. Make sure you're all the way out. I didn't make much here. I'm just kind of demoing here. I think it was across 6 accounts was what, like 253. I didn't look. But these dynamic levels are so accurate. What you can do is you can play these. You use the pivots for your stops. So for example, if you had a dynamic level here, and you wanted to reject down, you could make it or you actually wanted to play up top because hey, algo saying the signals are saying go up. You got to look at your indicators too. If your short-term EMA is bullish, what this just means is I calculate the EMA that you choose. So if you put the 9 in the 20, if the 9 crosses up, it's bullish. Below, it's bearish. I just show that to you, so you don't have to have a bunch of lines on your chart. You could see if it's choppy. You can also see the momentum here. So if I'm playing this and it goes long and I want to go long, I'll put my stop at this pivot right here. And then you can also look at the 3 minute and kind of see where you're at. So you notice like around here, similar pivot here, and then you have another level. When the 1 and the 3 are matching, those are pretty good levels. You can also play a little bit looser here. If you're playing to the upside, you can have a stop here, you have a stop here, you can have a stop here. So this is very, I can't remember a losing day playing like this. Everything's in the Discord. I'll hop on live every now and then. Everything's posted in profits. I am working on my final. I have 6 more evaluation accounts, and I talk about this in my other videos for the Apex funded. That's why I'm trading this right now. I'm trying to get my final 6 accounts funded so I can have a nice 20 account. That's the maximum you can do, 20 accounts. Now you see here. So once I have those 20 accounts, you can do 2,000 payouts until the 4th month. So each account is actually a $2,000 max payment for the first couple months. So once I get 20 accounts, each account will be $2,000. So I'll be able to do 40K every 15 days. Right now, I have 12 accounts funded. I'm playing it very, very slow, and I'm getting around 20K a month currently. You guys need help with that, just come in the Discord, guys. All of this is free. You could try the algo for free as well. We just want you to make money. All you need to do, that first month will pay for like 3 years of the algo, and I'll show you exactly what you guys got to do. So see here, we've created another pivot up top. So the algo looks like it's kind of hit a little resistance up here. I'm not going to play it just because I don't normally play it this time. It is 1 p.m. Central Time, and I stick to 30 minutes, 45 minutes max in the mornings. I find that volatility, I can just get in, get out. And when you have multiple accounts like this, my goal is only $100-200 a day, right, on each account. If you got 20 accounts, you guys can do the math on that. Now these levels will adjust as things break out. Another thing that's not shown here are the order blocks. Let me make sure. Yeah, the order blocks. And I'll do that in another video. So the order blocks and the fair value gaps that you can also use as even more resistance, even more support levels as well. That's it for this video, guys. I just want to get something quick out to show you guys how I use these. You got the dynamic levels that'll adjust for you. You have the pivot levels that you can use for your stops. And that's it. Have a good one.